Tucker! Woo! Give me a good show.
3 laps.
Ready?
Inside.
Roger, Brian, Nathan, Q, Morgan. You and Morgan are at the back, but I don't know where. Am I?
Are we offset or parallel?
Good luck. Thank you, Tucker. Good luck.
Thank you.
Appreciate you, Tucker. Thanks for doing this.
Thank you, Tucker. Good luck, guys. Give me a good show. Good luck to all of you. How many laps is this? How many laps? Three laps.
3 laps.
Oh yeah, you do. NSFW.
B-Max, B-Max. Follow the front.
Could be your light.
Chase down.
Everyone ready?
No, wait.
Smalls is still on the track.
I'm still on the track.
Watch the flag.
I tunnel visioned.
I love you guys.
Fuck boy, good job guys. Good job.
I scared myself.
Oh, that was scary. Dude, I almost died. I heard the pedal scrape. What happened? Brian.
Oh, that was him?
Yeah, that was Brian.
Who was behind me? Huh?
Brian was pedal scrape. Oh. And I wobbled like through this. Okay. Second lap.
Morgan.
Morgan, your starts are incredible. Where is he at?
No, he's right there. Morgan did not do very well after the start.
Yeah, you guys did not disappoint.
Incredible start.
You guys did not disappoint. You two did not disappoint. I'm watching your lines like, who's lining better?
That's all you take it. I was able to do it. I knew you were behind me the whole time. I touched your ass by accident because I took you. Yeah. Dude, my pad came loose first lap halfway in. I was trying to fucking situate.
Dude, I'm never letting someone try my wheel again. I'm sliding forward when I brake.
That was a good race.
Yeah, I need some tweaking as well.
Huh?
I need some tweaking.
Dude, I said don't touch my pads and they fucking moved my
I'm like this. Oh.
I went off road. Was it you that went off on the last lap?
No.
Who was that?
I don't know.
Was that you, Max?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
I tunnel visioned on the outside like a fucking idiot. I saw Mario on the inside, the shadow. I was like, fuck. Looking. I was like, oh fuck. Oh no.
Max killed it, dude. I couldn't tell who actually finished, but Mario got you?
Mario got me. I tunnel visioned. You guys.
Dude, nice job, Zach.
Thank you, Daddy. You too. I'm proud of you.
I get to see you guys.
I went off the tunnel. He's back.
Thank you. Good job. Good job.
What happened? What happened? I tunnel visioned on the outside. I heard Mario. I was like, fuck. And then I started looking at the outside like, trying to accelerate. Let's take it. Oh, that's crazy. It happened. That was awesome. Yeah. Nice one.
I heard you had a start that made everyone run for their money.
Yeah. I know what to not work on. I gotta work on my turns though, that's for sure.
Yeah.
But good race, man.
You too.
Woo.
Hi.
The only thing I'm proud of is that I did not crash.
Yeah. Same thing to you.
Thanks, Mama.
You guys look amazing out there.
You know, I have one of these and I didn't know for the longest time this is the button.
Yeah.
Was that the last race?
Roger's got some fun ones after.
Zach, you need to get in some of these
Huh?
videos and stuff.
Good shit, Zach. You too, man.
Right before the finish?
Yeah.
You came back on?
I hopped back on it, leaned as hard as I could into it. If that was any other wheel, I'd be on the ground now.
Damn. Zach,
Yes.
any words?
I might have.
I had a lot of fun just watching Max and Mario, and I kept forgetting that I need to like level up and pass them.
What's your personal best now at AVS?
I feel I had faster times, but the one that was recorded was 109.7.
And what was your previous personal best?
That was like 112.
So you also beat your personal best by a whole 3 seconds.
Yeah, but that was also last year.
Hell yeah.
Do it again.
Maribel says, to be fair, there wasn't enough competition.
We're gonna do 4 laps, but you know that. Oh yeah.
Alright, you guys want to let's get this group photo shot. I'll join in over here or something.
Matt, let's get a photo.
Group photo, baby.
Hey, Aaron, let's take these off.